The sound appears. Outburst of the last bird looking for light. The sound appears as gray rain continues, emptying its quiver, falling staccato. Lights of living rooms conspire to wire the nights together with almost invisible seams. As prismed eyes project patterns where there are none, and make worlds attempt to function without sun or sleep or spaces between. To desire a mass of black skies that obscures my faint secret movements. In wind I live, move, have my being. To desire fame for the end of a prayer's art, trading the coin of that realm. Amidst painting ethereal landscapes, the sound appears in waves of Payne's gray and alizarin crimson. Luminous hum, the sound, metallic drum of a door as it clicks and locks. The sound wells up on lit streets of late twilight. Whirling birds converse over the square. The sound appears as brilliance, broad symphonic chords. The sapphire here. The sound appears as breakdown highway rumble strip and paradiso song of intermingled birds. This ink, silent, the sound appears.
The sound. Oh, 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 oh.